Hey everyone, welcome to my 4th episode of Crazy Cat. We have a guest, Jenna, my friend. She might be doing a YouTube channel. Maybe. So today we will be doing a war and see who gets the better Lost Kitties Pikmi Pops. So this guy is super cool. I love it. It says squad goals on the side. What do you like about it? How it says squad goals.
I like how they're all like squished together.
They're all together. They're all squished. And it says see available kitties at lostkitties.com. So there's 36 to collect in 2018. It includes Lost Kitties figures, 2 accessories, shaping compound, a meme sticker, and a collector's sheet, which is pretty cool. These guys were $4.99. We got them at Kohl's. I love Kohl's. If you love Kohl's,
is awesome.
Comment below. Okay, and it says who's hidden inside. I cannot wait to see who's hidden inside. And look at, there's like hidden kitties right there.
Yeah.
If you can just
This
see
guy with the hair dryer and this super cute guy with the rope.
Cute kitty. Oh, I love that.
There's like 2 of them that I want.
There's 2 of them that I want too.
And then we have
The Pikmi Pops. Surprise, this is the Style series, the new series that came out where you can wear as a clip or a ring or a bracelet.
As anything
really you want. And these guys were also $4.99 and we also got them at Kohl's.
Because Kohl's is amazing and it's the best store in the whole world.
It says there's sweet scented plushie inside, so there's only 1 plushie inside. But it's still amazing. And I love all the colors.
Yeah.
Like,
And I love the scents that they have.
I love the scents. I love the scents. As you guys saw in my last video, we opened the jumbo version of Lost Kitties, which was amazing.
Lost Kitties. Dun, dun,
Be sure to subscribe. So here
hit that thumbs up button.
Hit that thumbs up. But before we do, Jenna is going to go get Floey.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we have Floey, our mascot. Yeah. She might run away, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So the first surprise war we will be opening is the Pikmi Pops. Ooh, okay, so let's get this open.
Oops, I kind of broke mine.
It's totally okay. These are really hard to open. Yes, they are. Okay, I got mine. It's good enough. Oh, it totally popped out. Don't read the secret message yet, or else it will tell you who you got. Look, it comes with a little stand, so you can put your Pikmi Pop over here. Trash. Who cares about trash? Okay, so
Can I put my trash?
yeah, you
Trash!
okay. So let's open our Pikmi Pop. I got a jellyfish. It's like a zebra rainbow jellyfish. And it is a ring. I got a ring.
It smells alright. Ooh, I got a ring too.
Oh, it smells so good. Smell mine.
I don't smell anything.
It smells like cotton candy.
What does mine smell like?
Okay, so
Mine smells like tofu.
Tofu. No, that's the name.
chinchilla.
What's the name? It's the name. Okay, so mine's little secret message says, let's celebrate.
Ooh,
And her scent is coconut.
Mine too.
Oh, I love
Mine's
it.
let's chinchilling out. I don't know what that
Mine
means.
is the hermit crab. I thought it was a jellyfish. It's not a hermit crab.
Mine's tofu the chinchilla. I thought it was
Pretty
a bunny.
cool name. Okay, now let's see who got the better one. So let's see on our list here. We have our list. Let's look. What? Tofu the chinchilla is ultra rare. How am I gonna beat that? What? That's so.
How is she an ultra rare? She
Mine's
smells
a
weird.
rare. Aw,
I like yours better.
Well, Jenna won for this competition because mine is a rare.
Even though I say that you win because I don't like how it looks.
How it
smells
was?
like.
I thought mine was a jellyfish.
Yeah, I thought it was jellyfish. Apparently, it's a hermit crab.
So
apparently,
it's a hermit crab, which it should be a jellyfish.
yes, because it looks like a jellyfish.
It really is. Okay, now we have the Lost Kitties. We're gonna open.
Lost Kitties. Dun, 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 dun. And finally, open up a box, so let's find lost kitties. Oopsie, I can't close it.
It's okay. Okay, lost kitties time. Let's open this up.
Oops.
Totally.
What color sand did I get?
Ooh.
I got brown.
You got brown clay, and I got vanilla bean colored clay. See, white's clay. Poop colored clay. Haha.
I never felt clay stuff.
Cool. I did because I opened the jumbo pack. We'll open the checklist later. Let's see what kitty we got. These things are super hard to open.
Yeah, they are.
Like my last video, you saw, guys, I used scissors, but my scissors went bye-bye, so.
Okay.
Okay, you got yours. I didn't get my fully, but that's okay.
I want to touch it.
Okay. Ugh.
Woo,
I love this
good.
stuff.
I never felt it.
I almost got the surprise of the blue.
So hard. Ooh, what? Mine's blue on the inside.
Mine is.
It has a
The
blue
blind
thing.
bag's blue. Yeah, I know. Okay. Let's.
Why is mine poop? Feels.
Haha, yours is poop color.
Smells like Play-Doh.
Do not look at the meme sticker because it shows us what it is. So put the meme sticker facing down.
Okay.
Ooh, okay, so for my toy, I have a cucumber. It's a pink cucumber because everyone knows cats are afraid of cucumbers. I don't know why. It's just so silly.
You told
And
me
I
because they're
got-
afraid of snakes.
Yes, because I think it's a snake. Look, there's a plunger. Mine also came with a plunger.
This feels
It's a
good.
purple weird plunger. I don't know why.
This feels like funny.
Okay, let's see.
Well, I didn't even get all my freaking clay out. Oops, it fell on me.
Oopsie.
You have a plunger.
Okay, now
I didn't even get it out. Wait for me.
I want to open my lost kitties.
Wait, is the meme thing under?
Yeah, so you cannot look at your meme. If you look at your meme, you're disqualified.
Okay.
Mine feels really big.
I'm not looking at my meme. It's compacted.
Oh yeah, yours is like
Oh, I got a guitar.
lucky.
Look how cute this guitar is.
She's lucky
And
she got
a shower brush thingy.
Okay,
And
okay.
more brown poop.
Your bag is really small, so I think I got a really big cat. Oh, I got the scaredy cat. Look. Oh, it's really cute actually. Look, its hairs are sticking up. That's really cute. I love it. Look at its butt.
It's mine.
Comes with. Oh, because look, he saw the cucumber, and then he.
How do I open this thing?
You gotta put your thumb.
Okay.
My guest star is like really annoying. I'm just kidding. She's not annoying. Okay. So my meme sticker
Green.
says. Yeah.
I got the one you wanted.
Oh, I wanted
This
the
is cool guy.
Okay, so my meme sticker says, go away, unique cores. Ha 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 ha. Really funny.
My
So-
meme sticky. What, really? I can't even read it because I have freaking dough.
The Joe.
Mine says, deal with it.
Deal with it. I like that hers.
There's
better.
thing on the thingy, so there's some devs.
Okay, let's see who got the better. So it looks like.
Wait, don't say it yet. Didn't look.
I can't really tell. Sketch. No, because this is so weird. I don't even understand this. Like the
I
other
forgot
checklist was
to
so
open
much
it.
better. Oh, okay, I got it. So scaredy cat. I got prickle paws. I can't really tell.
I got working it.
Prickle paws.
I got Eugene.
Okay, so for the names, I think I won.
Yes, you won for the
I won.
names.
So I guess we're gonna
But
need
I think
to-
my character looks cooler. Because
What?
yours is scared.
Too bad, mine's cooler.
I don't know if we could call that. I think that's a tie.
Tie. We have a tie, so we're gonna need a tiebreaker. This dough, though. I love playing with this dough. See, look, I can put my plunger here, my cucumber here, and my cat there.
Can I throw the stuff away?
Yeah,
Bam.
throw your stuff away. You knocked my sticker off.
Oops, I knocked my sticker off.
Knocked your sticker off.
Okay.
Anyway.
Why
thanks
is
for
mine
watching.
poop?
Hers is poop.
I put
I
that
went to
there,
the
my
clay.
guitar there, but I win for the accessories.
No. I think my accessories.
No, I have a guitar and a brush. Comment down below who you think won.
I won. So
no, I won. Comment down below
so
and
if
we'll
you
see.
think I won, say hashtag Talia rules.
If you think I won, comment down below Jenna rules.
I got the hashtag, so boom.
It's the same thing! Can I
Okay,
feel your
anyway.
clay? Yeah, you can feel my clay.
Okay, anyway, guys, thank you for watching Crazy Cat. And I cannot wait to see you guys next time on
Yours feels
Crazy
softer.
Cat. Okay, everyone. Here we have our kitty checklist. And a bunch of other goodies that we opened. Woohoo! Look at the cool cat right here. So if you guys think me, Talia, won,
Or
say
if you
hashtag Talia, hashtag Talia.
And if you think I won, then say
Hashtag Jenna rules. Or you could say hashtag Talia rules, which is me.
or you could say kitty rules, which means tie.
But what we really say Talia rules.
Really say Jenna rules.
Bye!
And
Woo!
just Kitty wants to say hi too. And bye. Kitty wants to say hi and bye.
Bye.